Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Mad Corner here, and we are still here at Mount Fuji. Oh, give me a minute. Hopefully, yeah, it's right there. We are just checking out here at Hotori no Hotel Ban, and then we are heading out to Honcho Street, one of the popular streets right now around Mount Fuji for its very picturesque view, and hopefully we can have that as well. So guys, if you are wondering how to go there or how it will look like, then this episode is for you. One more look of the hotel that we stayed in, and then Mount Fuji is right there looking at us. Oh, by the way, that is the bus stop. This place is really easy to locate. Quick time check, it is 9:45 in the morning. It is quite cold. By the way, we have a quick stop. Just walking distance from here, there is the Kawaguchiko Art Museum, and we're going to check it out. Coffee for morning. While staying here at Mount Fuji, here are some few tips that I can give to you so that you won't make the mistakes that I did. Number one, this is a cold place, so make sure to bring your moisturizer or lotion. Number two, if you're bringing moisturizer or lotion, make sure to bring your lip balm as well. And number three, make sure to bring some shades, because even though this is a cold place, the sun shines bright. I'm telling you, it does. You know what? I think this place is more of a stopover because there's a huge parking lot here, and then there are some establishments over there. So I guess people can stop here for a quick food. And again, those are the bus stations right across the hotel. By the way guys, if you are checking out already at Hotori no Hotel Ban, you can leave your luggages here and then get them back later. From the hotel going to the art museum, it will only take you around 5 to 10 minutes. So that is the 7-Eleven. And then there are some cafes over there. We finally made it. This is the Kawaguchiko Museum of Art. There you go. And that is the building on the right side. Hopefully everything here will go smoothly. Is this side trip going to be worth it? We'll find out. To be honest with you, this art museum feels peaceful, probably because of the ambience here. And you even hear birds chirping. And I don't say it's a good thing, but there's no one in here, just us. You only have to pay for 800 yen. That's it. Honestly speaking, this is a good stop. I just don't know how come there's no one in here. It's just us. See, at the end of the first room, you will even see this glass door, and you will see the entire lake. They also have a garden over there, so hopefully we can give it a try later. So if you are going to ask me if this is worth it, absolutely yes. For 800 yen, why not? You're already here, right? And the best thing is you have the entire place for you guys. We are finally done roaming around this Kawaguchiko Art Museum, and guys, it is well recommended. I am outside of the building right now, and that is the view to the main room. Right now, there's a photography exhibit, so you can view that. I would assume that from time to time, they will change those displays as well. So the entire museum has 3 rooms. The main hallway that you just saw a while ago, and then there are 2 rooms, one on the left and then one on the right side. Of course, they also have this souvenir shop, and keep this in mind. There are rooms that you are allowed to take videos, and there are rooms that you can take photos only, and then there's a room that you're not allowed to do anything at all. Well, you can view them if you're here, but you're not allowed to take pictures or videos, and definitely no flash. With those restrictions that we have to follow, I will not be able to show you everything that there is inside. If you are still creating your itinerary going here at Mount Fuji, Lake Kawaguchiko, I would say give this art museum a try, because still it's good for 800 yen only. Who knows, you'll be the next one to buy one of those great materials inside. And now we are at the back part of the museum. That's the museum that we were in a while ago. And I'm not sure if this is a backyard or a garden. I don't know how to call it, but we'll give it a try and see how many minutes can we stay here. It is a sunny day, but the weather or the wind is still cold. Is this worth it? Absolutely yes. Look at this view. Look at this. Right? It is so peaceful here, guys. And that is the Kawaguchiko Art Museum that we went through in right now just a while ago. By the way guys, that is the place where we were taking some videos on our previous episode. If you haven't watched that episode, I will put the link on the description down below so you can watch the entire series of how does it look like from there. This is where it gets interesting. So while we were walking here, there's a stairway here, or a staircase that goes here, just here. So it gives you a better vantage point of Mount Fuji, and if the sakura or the cherry blossoms are already up, this is going to be a very good spot, just like this, right? The Lake Kawaguchiko. Okay, now we are officially going to Honcho Street. And the first thing that we have to do is wait for the red bus going to Kawaguchiko Station. And then from Kawaguchiko Station, we have to ride a train. Okay, boys, let's go. We are here at the coin lockers at Kawaguchiko Station, and we pick this one. The first thing that you need to do is remove or open the ones that still have keys, like this one. This means it's still not used. So first thing that you have to do is place your item there, and then insert the coins here, and then you'll be able to close it and then just remove the keys. Technically, that's how it goes. Just beside the coin locker, there are some street foods here that you can buy if you want. And of course, another food trip here. So we are going to try the beef. Yes, sir, beef. Okay, this looks interesting now. Okay, someone looks happy now. Hey, actually, it tastes good. It's good. For 900 yen, 900 yen, not bad. Okay, if you're going to eat it, it's so tender.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Hot dog.
And it tastes good. Now here is the tricky part. We have to find where can we get the tickets for Fujiyoshida line that will lead us to Honcho. Okay, so it's starting to look good because there is a ticket office here. And then you're going to see this one, Fujiyoshida Railway Information. So we are here in the station and we have to go here at Shimoyoshida station. So apparently, you still need to buy this kind of ticket right here and then go here with your Ikoka card. So technically, it requires you to have two tickets. So again, you need to tap your Ikoka card and then you have to buy this small one to go to Honcho Station. And look at that train. Woo! Apparently, this is going to be the train that we are going to ride. Fujisan View Express. Mount Fuji can be seen from where we are waiting right now. It's kind of shy because of the clouds, but still, it is an amazing view. Okay, so they are open now. Let's go. So the plan here is to sit in front. So this is how the train looks like. The train is moving backwards. So I thought that the train should go there. No, it is running backwards, guys. After the Mount Fuji station, there will be a change of track, I don't know, or a rail. And then now we're in front, moving forward. I don't know, but it is what it is. And we are in the right track based on Google Maps. We made it out, boys. This is the Shimoyoshida station. It's a very old school station, but it has its own charm. From Shimoyoshida station, we're just taking this route. And based on Google Maps, it shows that this is the way going to Honcho Street. And I think there are a lot of people walking towards that area. So this is the popular street that you guys will always see over Instagram, TikTok, the Honcho Street. And that is the Mount Fuji. But fortunately, well, luck is not in our favor because it is a cloudy day. And there's a group of people here already lining up to take a photo of this amazing view of the street. And there's a strict caution here, of course, because this is a busy street or intersection. We're not really allowed to take pictures in the middle. I'm not sure if it's just me, but this is a pretty silent town, I would say. But there are a lot of street foods like that. But now we have to look for a lunch place or a restaurant so we can have our lunch. I don't know how come, but most restaurants that you will see here are only open during Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Say in a normal setting, you're not really allowed, of course, to go in the middle of the road to take your picture. So please guys, just be mindful if you are going to check Honcho Street. So after minutes of walking and most of the restaurants are closed, we found this street. It's on the right side and I feel like we have a chance to find some food in this street. So let's check. By the way, for you to have an idea, this is the popular spot, but Mount Fuji is kind of covered with clouds right now. It's not in our favor, just like unlike what we had a few days ago or yesterday. Well, the first coffee shop that we found here, Harukiya Coffee Roastery. They're just selling coffee, no food. Here's what I noticed in this place. Most of the people will flock on the main road, which is the Honcho Street. But if you're going to walk around the town, you will see beautiful spots like this one, like this random spot that we found. It just so happened that Mount Fuji is kind of cloudy, but in general, this is going to be an IG worthy frame. Finally, after 20 minutes of walking and after trying to find a restaurant, we found this one. It's called Bistro Bone and let's go. They have pizza. We are here inside the bistro already. Their lunch menu is kind of limited for a certain hour, for a certain time slot, but they are kind of good. Bistro Bone. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so if you guys are aware how to say it, just let me know. Me personally, I'm going to recommend the raspberry cake. It's good. If you're planning to go to Honcho Street, then I personally recommend that restaurant. I will put the address on the description box so you can check it. And of course, there's still remnants of ice or snow. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, snow. And right across, still Mount Fuji, kind of shy for the day because of the clouds. Overall, this town is really peaceful. But the downside is most restaurant closes on a certain time, like around 2 p.m. everything is closed. So the selection of restaurants that you can visit are kind of limited. Going here to where we are right now will take you around 10 to 15 minutes of walking from the Honcho Street. Such a lovely house. Looks so peaceful. Very far from what we have in our country. Well, it has been a lovely day to be honest, but we have to go back now to Kawaguchiko station because we have to follow our schedule for our way back to Shinjuku. And just like that, we are back at Kawaguchiko station. It's just like 5 to 10 minutes train ride. And there is the great Mount Fuji back again. And everybody's loving the view from the train station. Here is my honest opinion about Shimoyoshida. That is the place behind the famous Honcho Street. If you are planning to go there, please enjoy by all means. What I'm trying to say is don't just put your focus at Honcho Street. There's so much more behind that. There are so many local restaurants that you can find there. Unfortunately, everything is not open there, but there's a good chance that you will find a hidden gem just like what we found. Allow yourself to get lost in that place because you will find tons of places that are not yet found on TikTok or YouTube. And who knows, you're the first one who can uncover those places. If you have any suggestions, write them down on the comment section. For sure, that will help other people as well. That concludes our Mount Fuji experience, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again next week. Mad Corner, I'm out.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone.